my best trait, I say fashion, cause everything's a statement, and I be killing fabrics. Every fit I create is great, it screams bad chicken. At this rate, the hate is seems average and misplaced.
Hey guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome if you're new. Today I'm back with a swimsuit haul with pieces from SHEIN. Y'all know I love me some SHEIN, and I had to bring you guys some swimsuit selections. As it is now summer, people are going on vacation, sitting by the pool, or even to like a water park. I have pieces in this haul for everyone. So personally, I wear a size medium, so all the bathing suits in the haul is a medium except the last one. The last one is a small. All the bathing suits will be linked down below in the description box, and if you do have a favorite, make sure to comment it down below. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you can stay updated with my new videos. As a side note, it is July 4th here in New York City, so if you do hear some loud noises, that's probably the fireworks going off outside. But let's get into the video. The first swimsuit in this haul is this hot pink bikini, and this is one of my favorites. So the top is plain, but the bottom is really cute. So just the vibrantness of the pink alone and the way it complements my skin tone makes it one of my faves. But if you see the bikini bottom, it has these two little hearts on the side. They're pink as well. It's like these little plastic hearts. And this is honestly what drew me into the bikini. I think these are so cute, especially like if you are tanning, you will end up having like the two hearts on the side where, you know, this lays. So I think that's really cute. Again, I did get a size medium in this, and most of the time I do wear a medium on the bottom and a small in a shirt. When it comes to bikinis, most times I need to wear a large. But because SHEIN doesn't really allow you to buy the item separately, I always kind of find that happy medium and do a medium. The top for my girls, they're not bad. I don't have a lot of spillage when it comes to the top. And as for the bikini bottoms, I think the great thing about these type of bikinis, they do have the strings on the side, so if you do need to tighten them, you can do that as well. One thing to note is just this part is very small, so if you do like that high cut for the bikini, this is one that I would definitely recommend. It's really, really sexy. So 10 out of 10. Next on the list, we have this aqua blue bikini. So this is the top, and I don't know, I just really like how bikini tops just look on me. So this kind of fits similar to the last one. The only thing I would say is the cut of this wasn't done properly. So when you're putting on the bikini, sometimes the white part of the inside does show, but it's really not that big of a deal. It still fits really nice, and the color is just as vibrant, which I love. Love wearing colors within the summertime. What makes the bathing suit different is the bikini bottom. So the bikini bottom does have on this chain on it, and the chain just carries like little butterflies. And one thing about this is because of the chain, you definitely have to be careful because it's not like durable, so you don't want it to pop. When you're putting the bikini on, you will have to pull the silver chain back, because when you first look at it, you're like, how do I even get this on? But yeah, you just pull these parts back on the bikini, and then it just raises the chain so it can cover your stomach. This is really cute. I also have a kimono that I'm gonna wear with it. Since I am going on vacation, I am taking this bikini to go with me. I would recommend it. It's really cute and vibrant, and I love colors in the summertime. 10 out of 10. The next bikini bottom we have is this yellow and orange one. It is really bright on camera right now, so we'll use the video on the side for reference of the colors. But this side alone is really what drew me into this bikini. I think it's really cute and really flattering, as the bikini is high cut, as you can see the sides. I really love this just also because it's high cut. I think high cut bathing suits are really flattering. They kind of like give you like the bam 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 Coke bottle shape a little bit more. Definitely recommend. However, I feel like the top I'm not really fond of. When I did put it on, I don't feel like it had enough support in terms of my girls. Like I have pretty big girls, so they do need extra support when it comes to bathing suit tops. So I would recommend maybe buying the bathing suit, but buying an orange bikini top just to change this one out because it doesn't have enough support. I think also I would have needed to size down, although I feel like even if I did size down, this band wouldn't have been big enough to hold the girls. I'm gonna have to use a different bathing suit top with the bottoms, but the bottoms alone get a 10. But if I pair the bathing suits together, it's giving like a 7. The next bikini we have is this neon green, so bright. This neon green bathing suit, and I love it because of the fringes that it has on the bikini top. I don't know if y'all remember when the girls were neon greening everyone back in 2019. We're gonna bring back that era with this bathing suit. This bathing suit is so cute. I feel like the fringes on the top is very flattering, and honestly with this bathing suit top, I didn't have like a lot of spillage or anything. It fit pretty well, so I actually really love this top. And the bikini bottom is pretty cute too. They do have these little strings on the side with the spacing just to give a little detail of the skin. The bikini bottoms fit perfectly fine. The bikini top fit perfectly fine. I think the top is really my favorite. I haven't seen a lot of bathing suits so unique like this with the fringes on them, so I'm excited to wear this out this summer. The next swimsuit on the list is this orange swimsuit. So when I went to Jamaica, I wore this bikini that had shorts, and honestly, people sleep on bikinis with shorts. I think they're so cute because bikini shorts, they really like fit to your butt, and if you have like a smaller one, it just makes it look good. So I got this orange shorts, and it's, you know, bathing suit material, and it kind of has like this ruffled material to it, and then it comes with a normal bikini top with the same ruffle material as well. And this one, the bikini top, it fit pretty well. Maybe a little bit of spillage on the sides, but nothing like too crazy. Just like a normal bikini top and a normal bikini bottom. But I really love this. Like, it fit me so well, so snug. These are great for people who may not feel as comfortable wearing like the bikinis that are like bikini thongs or just regular bikini panties. These are comfortable and they're still flattering to the bodies. I would definitely recommend this if you're like one of those people who, you know, don't feel as comfortable. Really cute. And for this bikini, 10 out of 10. And I don't think I rated the last one, but the last one, 10 out of 10 as well. The next bikini on the list is this black bathing suit that has a pop of color. It's really giving Cosmo and Wanda vibes with the green and pink on it. But I love this bikini. It's pretty simple, just like a standard bikini. But I think the like trimming of the color just makes it pop a little bit more. As you can see from the panties, it does have that high cut. So again, these are really, really flattering to the body. And then it does come with a standard bikini top. The part where you tie around your neck is pink, and then the part where you tie around your body is the green. If you're a girl who really likes black and you still want to like spice things up just a bit, I would recommend getting this bikini. It's pretty standard. The cup size are really good. I feel like out of a lot of the bikinis, this one really fit me well, considering I said most times I do need a large for my bikini top. I feel like my tatas or the girlies were tucked and secure in this bikini top. I would give this like a 9 out of 10 only because I'm more of a girl who loves color, so black isn't really my thing in the summertime. In the wintertime, you got me with the black, but in the summertime, I do like my colors, so 9 out of 10. This bikini on the list is another pink bathing suit, and this time is two-toned. As you can see, it does have the light pink toned across the bikini bottom, and then overall the bikini is that hot pink color, similar to the first one. And then as for the top, it does have these little frills on the top, and this cup size as well was cut very big for medium. A lot of the other bikini tops are a little bit smaller when it comes to just these standard cup. If you are someone who needs a little bit extra support, this bathing suit does wonders. It really does. I think this bathing suit is so cute just off of the frills alone. I don't see this a lot or like too often when it comes to just like a standard bikini. So between this and just like seeing the two-tonedness of the pinks, it's just so cute. This bathing suit looks really cute for sitting by the pool with your sunglasses and a pina colada in hand, something like that. This is like the vibes that this bikini gives off. Really cute, so I will give this a 10 out of 10, especially because of the two-tone colors. I think that's really pretty. The next bikini we have is this lavender bikini. So this is a lavender top, and it does have the frills across the bikini top similar to the last one, except this one is a one shoulder top. This top, or a lot of the tops similar to this, they didn't give me a lot of support or like coverage. I feel like with tops like this, you do need to size down. So I think a small would have fit me better, because this part of the bikini is really stretchy and it had a little bit more material than needed. So I think I would have definitely benefited from sizing down if I got a small in this. Other than that, the top is really cute. And then for the bikini bottom, we do have these striped white and lavender bikini bottoms. For this is a high waist bikini. I feel like sometimes the high waist bikinis can either be a hit or miss. Sometimes to me, they either look like granny panties or they can fit flattering. This one I feel like has an in-between feel to it. It just really depends. I feel like maybe if I got like a small, it would have fit better. Other than that, the bathing suit itself is really cute, but I think the small would have made me feel like it was a little bit more flattering to me. So overall, I would give this like a 7.5 out of 10, and that's really only because of the sizing. I think the bathing suit style itself is really cute. Guys, we have another bathing suit with frills. So this is very similar to the two-tone pink bathing suit bottom. Instead of the light pink, we do have orange, and the bikini bottom is a little bit, it has a different shade of pink than the last one, or than the two-tone pink one. But this also has a high cut, so it is very flattering, and I feel like the frills also add to that. Again, this is a size medium. It fit perfectly fine, so I really love the bottom. As for the top, the top is a strapless bikini, and who told me to go get this? For the top, it does have this frill across the bottom part, but because it is a size medium and it's strapless, I feel like you really do need to size down. So there really wasn't a lot of support in this top. And on top of that, the band for the bikini, this like band part is really small. So I felt like my girls were gonna fall out. There was not enough coverage and support in this top. The only plus side is the fact that because it does have frills, you can't really tell that like your boobs may pop out. This is like a bikini if you're sitting down. This is not one of those excursion bikinis, unless you do get a size that fits you really tight. But other than that, this is one where you sit down by the pool, drink your drink, and leave it at that. So for this bikini, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. Now we're on our last bikini. As you can see, it's this bright blue bathing suit. The color alone is just so vibrant, like so vibrant. Like, do you see the material? The material is so pretty. But this one is the last bikini. So this one was the bikini I was talking about that I got in a size small. I don't know what made me get a size small in this in comparison to getting a medium like the rest of the bathing suits. This bikini fit me so well. As you can see from the bikini bottom, it does have that high cut bathing suit. Please make sure when you're getting this part, make sure like your lips are not showing, because they have this small piece of material for people like, hello, where is the rest of the bathing suit? But yeah, just note that. And then I think for the sides, these frills are really flattering, as the bathing suit is a little bit more high cut. When it falls off your hips, it just looks really nice. But other than that, this is the bikini bottom, really cute. And this is the bikini top. Similar to the purple one, it is a one shoulder top, and it does have those frills as well. And because I did get a small in this, it did have extra support. It fit me a little bit more snug in comparison to a lot of the other tops that had frills on them. As you can see, this one fit me really nice, and the color alone just complements my skin tone so well. This is one of my favorites, and it is also the last bikini of the haul, and I would rate this one a 10 out of 10. Both style and color, chef's kiss. Those were all the pieces. Thank you guys so much for watching this swimsuit haul. All the links for the swimsuits will be posted down below in the description box. And if you do have a favorite from this haul, make sure to comment it down below. Again, if you're new, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so you can stay updated with all of my new videos. And until next time, bye guys.